Vitamins to boost your vision naturally. Lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids, plant pigments that give fruits and vegetables their yellow, orange, and red colors. Lutein and zeaxanthin are highly concentrated in the macula, the central part of the retina that is responsible for sharp and detailed vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin act as natural filters, blocking the harmful blue light from reaching the retina and causing damage. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that plays a vital role in maintaining a clear cornea, the outer layer of the eye that protects it from infections and injuries. Vitamin A is also a component of rhodopsin, a protein in the retina that enables night vision. Vitamin A deficiency can lead to night blindness, dry eyes, and increased susceptibility to eye infections. Vitamin C. Vitamin C also helps synthesize collagen, a protein that provides structure and strength to the eye tissues, such as the sclera, the white part of the eye, and the cornea. Vitamin C may also lower the risk of cataracts and AMD by preventing the accumulation of harmful substances in the lens and the retina. Zinc. Zinc is a trace mineral that is essential for the metabolism and function of vitamin A in the eyes. Zinc also helps produce melanin, a pigment that protects the eyes from ultraviolet UV light. Zinc may also lower the risk of cataracts and AMD by preventing the oxidation of the lens and the retina. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are polyunsaturated fats that have anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects on the eyes.